Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. This demonstration is going to be looking at creating a number poster to show what happens to my number when I add hundreds, tens, ones, thousands, and also when I take those away. So firstly I need a 4-digit number, so I'm going to use a dice like I've done before. So I've got 5,300. Children were very creative last week using things like Alexa to help them. I managed to find a nice simple dice rolling app as well. But I've gone low tech just with my dice here. And I've come up with the number 5,316. So what I want to do is see what happens to this by making a really simple poster design of what will happen when I add or take away 1, add or take away 10, add or take away 100, and add or take away 1,000. So if I start with the ones column, up top I'm going to add 1, and down below I'm going to take away 1. So let's do those. Well, if I add 1, everything stays the same, except my 6 ones becomes 7 ones. And again, below, everything stays the same to my original number, except my 6 ones drops down to 5 ones. Let's do the tens, ones, and the tens, hundreds, and thousands. So I'm going to over here, I'm going to add 10, and down here I'm going to take away 10. Over here I'm going to add 100, and down here I'm going to take away 100, and then out here and out here I'm going to add 1,000, so there's a 1 there, and I'm going to take away 1,000, and away I go. So let's add the tens. So I've got 5,326. Let's take away a 10. Oh, that's a nice number. 5,306. So notice that I've gone down to the 0. I quite like that. Adding 100, it becomes 416. 5,416. And taking away, it becomes 200, so it's 5,216. Adding 1,000, it becomes 6,000. Oh, just lost my 6,000 there. There we go. It becomes 6,316, and taking away 1,000 becomes 4,316. And there you have it. A really simple poster that shows what happens to my random number when I add and take away ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. I'm sure you can come up with something much more colourful and interesting than mine. Wouldn't it be great to have maybe a different colour for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands? Get creative, show me what you can do. Until next time, keep learning.